down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing great, and it's me again for another Shen updates. So Shen Yue posted this on her little red book yesterday. The caption says, Cat Master Toys Inventory. I really love this and I can't relate to this. Kashi, come here. As a cat lover, I can really relate to Shen Yue. Because I have my super naughty and playful cat. Come here! My ever playful cat. She loves to play bite with us, super naughty and ouch. Ow! Ow! Stop, Kashi! Her name is Kashi. So Kali and Shendy is basically our cats. And we miss them so much because they passed away. They passed away several months ago. And this is their offspring. From Kali and Shendy, she is now named Kashi. Our first ever cat was named Mau Mau because I first loved with C-drama in 2018 and I fell in love with Shen Yue in A Love So Beautiful. And of course, after that, I both love Dylan and Shen Yue on Meet Your Garden and up until now. I really love them both. And so that's my story, and how about you? And who's a cat lover here? Comment down. So it is nice to have a cat at home. And for Dylan Wang, he posted this on his Douyin for Maybelline New York. And he will be having a live stream later tonight. Oh my gosh, he's playing. And tomorrow we will also be having a live stream for Karastase. And here he is for today's filming for Only for Love. And also he is inviting everyone to the desirable pop-up store at Soul Stage, New York. This weekend, February 11 to 12. So if you're from New York and nearby places, you can check it out and bought your favorite The Desirable items. And Dylan also posted some photos of his idol, Lebron James, on his Weibo after Lebron broke the records and became NBA's all-time leading scorer. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please don't forget to hit that bell button for you to be notified every time I drop new videos. Stay safe, everybody, and don't forget to be kind and always choose love. Until next time, bye! Until next time, bye! Bye, everybody! Oh, my God.